Hello guys, welcome back to Chinese. Hello, 𝐶𝐿𝐲. It's quite hot this year. Today, we are going to dive into a topic that is bound to make you feel the heat. Whether it's in Mandarin or English, there is only few words to describe hotness. So today we are going to learn some Cantonese expressions about hotness. Before we begin it, let me introduce you to Keats School, which offers immersive Mandarin classes and tours in China. Click the link below and Keats will help you improve your Mandarin and take care of you everything in China. If you're interested in Cantonese classes, I'm always available to accept the new students. Just contact me through this social media. Our first expression is eat. This is the general word for hot. For example, when you order a drink, you have two options, cold or hot. 凍熱熱咖啡 hot coffee 熱奶茶 hot milk tea. High temperatures isn't the only challenge. It's quite humid here, making it stuffy. We feel like we are inside a giant oven, struggling to breathe. So when it is stuffy, we say 焗, like "men" in Mandarin, which is the same as bake. Just imagine we are inside a big oven. I also mean stuffy. If you park your car under the sun and it becomes so stuffy, you should turn on the AC quickly. 你部車好翳焗啊，快啲開冷氣啦！你部車好翳焗啊，快啲開冷氣啦！你部車 your car 翳焗 stuffy 快啲 quickly 開冷氣 turn on the AC 你部車好翳焗啊，快啲開冷氣啦！ Your car is so stuffy, I can't breathe. Please turn on the AC quickly. Next one, heng is another word for hot. It's like the heat is rising upwards. We have fixed expressions. 天口興 literally means sky, mouth, hot. 天口興 which means hot weather. Have you tried Chinese herbal tea before? It's so bitter, but it's recommended to drink some herbal tea when the weather is humid. I easily get rashes in summer, so I always drink herbal tea. So I suggest you. 天口興最好飲多幾杯涼茶。天口興最好飲多幾杯涼茶。天口興 The weather is hot. 最好 the better. 飲 drink. 多 more. 幾杯 few cups. 涼茶 herbal tea. 天口興最好飲多幾杯涼茶。The weather is so hot. You'd better to drink few more cups of herbal tea. 興 This hot expression is used to describe having a fever as well. For example, 你個額頭好興啊，你係咪發燒啊？你個額頭好興啊，你係咪發燒啊？額頭 Forehead 好興 really hot. 係咪 isn't it? 發燒 have a fever. Your forehead is so hot. Are you having a fever? And if you feel dizzy and have a fever, it's better to see a doctor. 如果你有咩頭暈身興，就去睇醫生啦。如果你有咩頭暈身興，你就去睇醫生啦。如果就 if then 頭 head 暈 dizzy 身 body 興 hot 睇醫生 see a doctor. If you feel dizzy and have a fever, you should go to see a doctor. Next, we have expressions to describe the sudden transfer of heat from one object to another. Is not. For example, when you touch a hot plate, you would say 呢隻碟好辣手啊，呢隻碟好辣手啊，辣手 it means scald one's hand. So this plate is very hot. When you were a kid, did you ever help your mom to burn the incense? 裝香 I'm always clumsy, 好論盡。我成日都俾啲香辣親。我成日都俾啲香辣親。成日都 all the times. 俾 passive voice. 辣親 burn the hand. I always get burned by the incense. And last week, I heard a news about a dog's paws getting burned by the hot ground while the dog was out. 地下太熱啦，辣親隻狗仔啲手手腳腳。地下太熱啦，辣親隻狗仔啲手手腳腳。地下 ground 太熱 too hot. 辣親 get burned or scalded 隻狗仔 the dog 啲手手腳腳 hands and feet. The ground is so hot and it burned the dog's paws. Next one, 淥 means to scald or burn something with boiling liquid. So what's the difference between 淥 and 辣? If there is a cup of hot water and I take a small sip, it will 辣親我條脷，辣親我條脷。我條脷 my tongue, so it will burn my tongue for a little bit. But if you pour boiling water over my hands for a while, I would say 我隻手俾啲熱水淥親。我隻手俾啲熱水淥親。我隻手 my hand 俾 passive voice 啲熱水 the hot water boiling water 淥親。Scalded by the boiling water. My hand was scalded by the boiling water. So when it comes to being burning by boiling water, 辣 is used for a moment while 淥 is used for a long duration. We also have some extended phrases like 淥麵, which means to cook the noodles in boiling water. Because you know the noodles stay in the boiling water for a while, right? So we say 淥麵. If we talk about the spicy hotness, we use the word 辣. Do you know that lots of Cantonese people can't eat spicy food? 好多廣東人都食唔到辣。好多廣東人都食唔到辣。好多 many. 廣東人 Cantonese people 食唔到 can't eat 辣 spicy food or spicy. So lots of Cantonese people can't eat spicy food, but somehow I can, and I can eat the chili directly. I'm a fake Cantonese. When we talk about sexy hotness, we use 嗦. So if you see a super hot girl, you can tell your friends that 條女好索啊，條女好索啊. That girl is so sexy. But as a girl, I suggest you not to say it aloud, especially in a dark or quiet place. Otherwise, she might get scared. Alright, that is what we learned today. If you would like to learn more, you can contact me and book a lesson from me. I accept students of all levels. If you're planning to travel here, don't forget sun protection. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a big thumb up. See you soon. Bye bye.